is now 5:29. Yeah, there was a rain and then it is stopped and then rain and then it stopped, and this is how it is now. Yeah, no rain at the moment, and I'm actually hungry. I'm cravings for something that is close to Filipino taste, like noodles, pancit. I actually don't have rice, but I'm going to put some water in here, and later on I'm going to make it a porridge. Yeah, it is possible it will expand and will become more. I just need to wash this first and then we go out. It was 6:45 when I left the house. It's still sunny at the moment. We are going to eat in the Chinese restaurant and then going to the grocery. But maybe we go to the marina first. Quiet today. And we're going to sit here. Wow. Yeah, they are actually very busy this time. Yeah. At the back of my seat there are around 20 people. And then people keep on coming. Yeah, mostly are like a group. Yeah, that's why I eat immediately and give space, give the table to the next. And now we are going to the little beach to meet some people. Oh, something is going on in that side. Maybe there is like a fishing contest. Yeah, because I can see that the people are looking in the water. Oh, they are scaling. They are weighing that big fish in there. Nice. Hi. Mabuti. Oh yeah, if I'm not mistaken, this is the charity event that is related to fishing. Really nice. I would like to show you the family of Tony and Darlene. Darlene also has a YouTube channel.
Hello po sa mga nanonood po kay Kuya Robby at sa Abradero. Sana po supportahan niyo din po ako. The Darlene Show po!
Yo! It is busy and there many people. Yeah, already 8:30 when I left Kuya Tony and family. Kuya Tony is also coming from Dubai. He said that he also work in Burj Khalifa. They are actually the one who built the Burj Khalifa. And I also work in Burj Khalifa in Armani Hotel. So we can really relate to our experience. And that's why just now I am going home. Actually, I'm going first to the grocery. Okay, we're just going inside to buy something. I don't know yet. We're going to take one of these. These I forgot, maybe $3.50. Yeah. Oh, I need to get rice, but I'm just going to take the 1 kg. I'm going to take just this one. It's $2.95 because I need to buy toilet paper. I don't have any more in the house, and that toilet paper is going to take so much space on my backpack, on my bag. This is $3.65, 12 rolls. We are going to take this one. This is now just $5.39. Regular price is $7. Oh, we're going to take it. This is $3.50. This toilet paper is not fit in my bag. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, already 5 minutes to 10 o'clock, and I already had my cup of coffee, and now I'm going to prepare my breakfast. And if you remember this from last night that I add some water. It's almost normal, but when I add some water it becomes like that. Yeah, we're going to make a arroz caldo with that. And this is the chicken cubes. You know, this one you need to make it powder. If you don't do this, it's not good. It will be lumpy. And I'm also going to put some of this macaroni. Actually, a little bit more. And that's it. I will be just going to adjust the taste later. And it is boiling now. That is how it is. Let's check the taste. Yeah, it's good, but it's still missing some more ingredients. Okay, I added a little bit of water. And I'm going to add some more, 1 egg. And I will let it boil again until the egg is cooked. And then that's my almost lunch already. Oh, it's just boiling again. I think that's it. Yeah, the egg is cooked already. Look at that. Can you imagine? It was before almost no more. Yeah, and then I just added some water and it's become like this. And a little bit of this shrimp paste. Yo, I received a call from Kuya Tony. Yeah, the family that I met yesterday, they give me all of this. Yeah, it's a lot. Oh, this chicken adobo. Also this. There is more. And all this Filipino. Oh, this the uwishi prawn crackers that I just mentioned in my previous vlog. And some more Filipino snacks, boy bawang, honeydew, yeah, century tuna, what is this? Ice cream. Should go in the freezer. And shrimp. It is now 5 o'clock. I was just on the computer editing video and I am now hungry. And yeah, if you remember last time I went to the grocery and I actually have this. Actually, I am going to eat this. This is salmon. Yeah, leftover of the family of Mr. Tony. Guys, almost 8 o'clock. Yeah, there is no rain, but looks like it is going to rain. I already had my cup of coffee, and today is the last day of my 4 days off. I didn't do anything. I met some people, but just it. I was just here in the house editing a video. Yeah, and at the moment I am here. I am checking my cryptocurrency, and yeah, if you remember, if you've seen my video before, 2017 or 2018, I bought several cryptocurrency. Yeah, around $400 because the time that is my extra money, and then it becomes 1,000 something dollars. And this 2019 it becomes very low, around just $100, become just like that. And now it is coming back. I mean, it is growing back again. If you notice, it is now $624. Plus, I have this $180.72, and this extra pounds. I am going to buy another currency, another cryptocurrency, and it's going to be this one. Yeah, this Cardano. I am going to buy this Cardano because yeah, one of my friend, he also bought a cryptocurrency, and yeah, he showed me the result. He initially bought $6,000 of yeah, of the coins, and he sent me the screenshot, and it's become 17,000 Australian dollars. Yeah, so I'm going to buy this one, Cardano, and I'm going to use this fund, this extra $180. Oh, just 150. Buy. And there is a P that is $149. Confirm buy. Your Cardano purchase was successful. Thanks for purchasing Cardano on CoinSpot. Your coins will be delivered to your wallet within a few minutes. That's it, and I still have about $30.72. The money that I am using to buy these things are extra. I mean, it is comfortable. I mean, it's okay for me to lose. Yeah. So you don't regret it when it's gone.